becoming a digitally connected trading company, right? So the coining of the term SME 3.0, right? And I think so the reason for this is very simple, right? It's about the location that we are in. It's about the infrastructure that this country provides you. And besides that, today's communication that you get in this country, right, is among the world's best, and how the SMEs of today can use and leverage this to become the SME of today and tomorrow. So just a little bit of in terms of agenda, trading sector, what is the strategic context and the current industry trends that are happening, how telcos are bridging this gap. Then I've also taken some user personas of trading companies, owners of companies, people who work in the trading companies, and what is coming next, and what does an SME 3.0 in summary basically mean. So let's go first. First of all, I have great respect for all of you, because not only you take care of your companies, but you also take care of the employment of many, many individuals under you. You use your own money to set up this firm and look after the livelihood of so many, many people. So great respect for each one of you who's here. So clearly, what we see in the UAE economy is that about 51 to 52% of the companies are trading companies, right? So you basically make up the bulk of the GDP in this economy. So SMEs today are contributing about 60% of the GDP in the UAE. So assuming that about 50% of the companies are trading companies, so approximately 30% of the UAE's GDP is actually being contributed by all of you. So just one slide about DO, right? So we today have a 48% market share in the UAE, right? Very, very significant over a period of 5 years. We are a quad play operator. What it means is that we provide mobile lines, fixed lines, internet services, as well as IPTV services for customers. We've had excellent growth rate over the last 5 years, 6 years, top line as well as bottom line. We are a company, we are known for our innovation and product leadership, not only in the UAE, in the region, as well as in the world. We are actually the first company in the world to launch a Google AdWords postpaid package as a part of the telecom, also basically nurturing the SMEs. And we are actually a clear market leader in terms of telecom services in the SME space with about 75,000 accounts. So let's look at the strategic context, right? So if you really look at what is happening today, right, mobile internet, right, is becoming your life, right? Mobile internet is shaping your life. The industry is moving towards digital communication, and the mobile internet traffic is growing exponentially. So basically, if you look at what is happening is, there is a word which is called as SOLOMO, which means the convergence of social, local, and mobile is all happening, right? What it means is that people are on Facebook, people are on Twitter, people are on, right? So socially, you need to be, as a company, also need to be connected socially with your customers, with your partners, etc. In terms of local, right? You have to be locally relevant in whichever market you're operating in, or whichever markets you want to operate in. And at the same time, mobile is becoming a critical means of your communication, of your applications, of your business. So let's look at what is happening. The first and foremost is, it's all about mobile data usage, right? So the mobile data is growing, and is growing exponentially, right? Everybody today, I'm sure all business owners, etc., they need mobile data, they need to be connected, you have to be live on your email, many decisions have to be made instantly, right? So mobile data is extremely important. What is also happening around in the world is the connected devices will continue to grow, right? So it's becoming very, very important, and depending on what kind of business you are in, it's important to start thinking on those lines, because it's going to be present. As per one of the reports from Ericsson, it clearly states that by 2020, 50 billion devices will be connected. The third thing, as I mentioned, the UAE is an absolutely great country that you're in. 4G has already been launched. We have almost about 80% coverage on LTE connectivity, which basically means that today the connectivity that you're getting on the mobile is among the best in the world, right? So clearly, the technology that you're getting is among the best. Again, going back to the point of digital and social, right? So digital and social is way of life, right? If you are not on this bus, you're missing your journey. So it's very, very important that you need to get onto this bus as quickly as possible. And the fifth thing, and which is very, very important, is that mobile video, right, is becoming very, very critical, right? If you would have seen and you read the research, and especially in the UAE, one of the observations is there that people are reading less, right? People actually, for you to communicate to your customers, it's becoming important that you are able to send this information out in terms of mobile video. So a lot of people are grasping information in terms of mobile video. And I'll touch upon this point a little later again as well. So just in terms of points, this basically is clearly showing that how the market is absolutely growing, which is that there is the mobile data market is growing phenomenally, and it will continue to grow. So I've taken here a trend from 2012 to 2017. You can also look at the Middle East market per se, and so the main message that we are giving here is that mobile data is becoming an integral part of your life. So what is happening in an internet minute? So as you grow around and doing your business, what you clearly see is that about 2 million plus search queries are happening on Google. About 30 hours of video is being uploaded in a minute of internet time. There are 277,000 logins that are happening on Facebook, right? So clearly, if you look at in terms of all the social media platforms that are there, it's unbelievable what is happening around you. So if you look at this particular slide, it's a very interesting slide. So the statistics that are being shown here is basically the number of users globally who are being connected to these applications through the mobile device, right? So 680 million out of the 1.2 billion Facebook users are actually accessing Facebook on mobile. And similarly, the trend is the same for Twitter, Foursquare, as well as LinkedIn. And what is important is to look at on the right-hand slide. On the right-hand slide, if you clearly see making calls. Making calls is now the number 5th parameter for your phone. So your phone today is actually no more a voice calling device, but it has become a device for you to connect to the internet. That means for businesses to find out more information, to use your emails to connect with your customers, partners, your sourcing partners, or your suppliers. Similarly, social is becoming an important medium. Right? So as trading companies, how have you incorporated the social phenomena in your business? It's becoming important, and what is more important is, like as Mr., are you thinking forward? Are you forward thinking about what is going to happen next? Right? And these things are going to become a critical lever of companies who will adopt and reach the SME 3.0, or who will be, just continuing as the business they've been doing so traditionally. Now, looking at this particular slide, this is about devices, right? So devices of how the smartphone industry has grown and how the tablets market is growing. So I've clearly seen some trading businesses where the owners, they have actually adopted tablets as their main device for doing their whole business. So they have their applications. So they're running an ERP application from the cloud on their tablet, and they're being able to do everything on the tablet from the device itself. So this same point, right? So your home is going to get connected, your car is going to get connected, right? So everything is going to get connected. And it's important as part of your businesses to start thinking on those lines. Does it have any critical lever to play on this? So this is the slide on the mobile video, right? So on the mobile video, if you clearly see that of all the data that is really growing in the market, 67% of the growth is actually happening on the mobile video, right? So people are basically accessing product catalog on their mobile devices. They are basically making their sales pitch on the video, and this is going to keep becoming very, very important. So if you look as companies, and if you want to reach out to partners in the region or globally, it's important that you are able to transcend the information to this customer through a video information. It will become much, much easier for him to know what type of a company you are, and you are able to basically position yourself much, much better.